Hello and welcome to the Psychology Spectrum, where we explore the fascinating world of human behavior and cognition. In this video, we are going to talk about 12 odd habits that highly intelligent people have. These habits may seem weird or quirky to some, but they actually reflect some of the traits and skills that make smart people stand out from the crowd. Let's get started. 1. They talk to themselves. Talking to yourself is not a sign of madness, but rather a way of improving your memory, focus, and problem-solving abilities. Research has shown that self-directed speech can help you organize your thoughts, plan your actions, and regulate your emotions. It can also boost your confidence and motivation by giving you positive feedback and encouragement. 2. They are night owls. If you are a night owl, you may have a higher IQ than your early bird counterparts. Studies have found that people who prefer to stay up late and sleep in tend to score higher on intelligence tests and have more creative potential. This may be because night owls have more exposure to novel and diverse experiences, which stimulate their brain and enhance their cognitive flexibility. 3. They are messy. Being messy does not mean being lazy or disorganized. In fact, it may indicate a higher level of intelligence and creativity. According to a study by psychologist Kathleen Vohs, people who work in messy environments tend to generate more original and innovative ideas than those who work in tidy ones. This is because messiness can foster a more open and unconventional mindset, which is conducive to creative thinking. 4. They procrastinate. Procrastination is often seen as a bad habit that hinders productivity and performance. However, some experts argue that it can also be a sign of intelligence and creativity. For instance, Adam Grant, a professor at Wharton School of Business, suggests that procrastination can help you generate more novel and divergent solutions by allowing you to incubate your ideas and explore different perspectives. He calls this type of procrastination originals, who are people who delay their tasks until the last minute, but still produce high-quality work. 5. They doodle. Doodling is not just a mindless activity that you do when you are bored or distracted. It is actually a powerful tool that can enhance your memory, attention, and learning. Research has shown that doodling can help you retain more information and recall it better than simply listening or taking notes. It can also stimulate your visual and spatial thinking, which can improve your creativity and problem-solving skills. 6. They are curious. Curiosity is one of the hallmarks of intelligence. It is the desire to learn new things, explore new possibilities, and seek new challenges. Curious people are always asking questions, looking for answers, and trying to understand how things work. They are not afraid of uncertainty or failure, but rather see them as opportunities to grow and improve. Curiosity can also make you happier and more fulfilled, as it can increase your engagement and enjoyment of life. 7. They are forgetful. Forgetfulness is not always a sign of aging or dementia. Sometimes, it can be a sign of intelligence and efficiency. According to a study by researchers at the University of Toronto, people who have a good memory for important and relevant information tend to forget the trivial and irrelevant ones. This is because they have a more adaptive and selective memory system, which filters out the unnecessary details and focuses on the essential ones. This can help them optimize their cognitive resources and avoid information overload. 8. They are sarcastic. Sarcasm is not just a way of being witty or humorous. It is also a way of demonstrating your intelligence and creativity. Sarcasm involves using irony, exaggeration, and contradiction to convey a message that is different from or opposite to what is literally said. It requires a high level of cognitive and social skills, such as abstract thinking, perspective taking, and emotional regulation. It can also enhance your problem-solving and decision-making abilities, as it can activate both sides of your brain and stimulate your creative thinking. 9. They are musical. Music is not only a form of art and entertainment, but also a form of intelligence and cognition. Music involves processing and manipulating sounds, patterns, rhythms, and emotions, which can activate and enhance various brain functions. Studies have shown that musical training can improve your memory, attention, language, math, and spatial skills. It can also boost your creativity, mood, and well-being. 10. They are introverted. Introversion is not a personality flaw or a social disadvantage. It is a personality trait that reflects how you respond to stimulation and recharge your energy. Introverts tend to prefer low-stimulation environments and activities, such as reading, writing, or meditating. They also tend to spend more time alone or with a few close friends, rather than in large groups or crowds. This can give them more opportunities to reflect, introspect, and cultivate their inner wisdom and creativity. 11. They are multilingual. Speaking more than one language is not only a practical skill, but also a cognitive advantage. Multilingualism can improve your brain function and structure, as it can increase your neural connectivity, plasticity, and density. It can also enhance your cognitive abilities, such as attention, memory, executive function, and problem solving. It can even delay the onset of age-related cognitive decline and dementia. 12. They are funny. Humor is not just a way of making people laugh, but also a way of making people think. Humor involves using wit, irony, and creativity to express your thoughts and feelings in a playful and unexpected way. It can also help you cope with stress, adversity, and conflict by reducing your negative emotions and enhancing your positive ones. Humor can also make you more likable, attractive, and persuasive, as it can increase your social and emotional intelligence. These are some of the odd habits that highly intelligent people have. Of course, having these habits does not guarantee that you are smart, nor does not having them mean that you are not. Intelligence is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that can be measured and manifested in different ways. The most important thing is to embrace your own strengths and weaknesses and strive to learn and grow from your experiences. Thank you for watching The Psychology Spectrum, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. See you next time on The Psychology Spectrum.